Move it around. She's like a robot.
Yeah. Lily hasn't had one. Go.
¡Vámonos!
Sort them in.
Oh, goggles!
No! You're going to wear the goggles while you hold the sparklers? Hold on, she's preparing herself. You want some help?
All done. Mom, mine are all done. Mom, more done. So my eyes won't burn, so... Mine is done. Oh. Holy cow. You think Chloe's going to have kittens tonight?
Possibly.
Yeah, because Chloe has babies in her belly.
Why? You want to come home with us?
Yeah. I want to spend time with you on this 4th of July, and I don't want to get my butt kicked by myself.
We'll save it for tomorrow. Don't matter if you come home now with me or not.
Mama,